everyone. This week we're learning about life cycles. So I wanted to show you something to do with a bird life cycle. We were cutting down the bushes and we found this. Do you know what this is? Yeah, it's a bird's nest. What do you think it's made out of? Looks like grass, dried out grass, maybe some straw, and inside there's fur to keep it warm. Can't really see it on the camera, but it's very small and it lines the inside of the nest. Now I throw out my animals' fur when I give them haircuts and it looks like the same colors. So this bird could have used the fur from my pets to put inside this nest to keep warm. Do you know how the birds build this nest? Or any nest? They use their beaks and they have to weave the grass and leaves, here's some leaves, and all of that together to make their nest. Can you imagine how long it would take if we had to make something like this using our mouth? That would be a very long time. Now I found something else in the nest, and it is a little baby bird egg. Now I candled the egg, which means shining a flashlight in it to see if there's an egg, a baby inside. There is no baby inside of this egg, so it's okay for me to show you guys. If it had a baby in it, I would want to leave it and try to put the nest back somewhere where the mama bird could find it. But since there's no baby inside, I kept it to show you. Now the egg is kind of blue with brown specks. Not sure which bird it came from. We have a lot of mockingbirds around here. Sparrows. If you know what kind of bird egg this is, let me know. It's so tiny. So back to the life cycle of a bird. A mama bird lays an egg in the nest. And she sits on it to keep it warm. And then it hatches into a little chick. The little bird grows up and becomes a mommy bird or a daddy bird. And if it's a mommy bird, they lay another egg. And they hatch, and there are more birds and more birds, and it keeps going in a circle, and we have lots of birds. That's the life cycle of a bird. Now in your packet you're learning about the life cycle of a chicken, which is similar. The chickens don't build a nest though. They lay their eggs in the nesting box like I showed you from my nature walk video. You can look back at that if you want to see the eggs that they lay. They lay bigger eggs, but they also hatch into a chick, and then they grow up to be a mommy or a daddy bird or chicken. And then it happens all over again into the cycle. That's how we have birds. If you see a bird's nest outside or an egg, don't mess with it. Tell your mom or your dad or your family, because you want to try to put it back. Now I wasn't able to put it back because we cut down the bushes and there was nothing nearby that they would find, that they would be able to find it again. But always make sure, because you don't want to take it away unless there's no other option. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing a real bird's nest and a real bird egg. If you see one of these outside, try to take a picture and show me.